Hey, CNC operators. If your cuts aren't clean, your lubricant is part of the problem. Most shops don't realize how much performance they're losing to the wrong lubrication. When cuts aren't clean, heat builds up, and aluminum starts fighting back. The issue usually isn't the machine. It's how lubrication is being applied at the cut. And that's exactly where MagLube's LD-300L comes in. LD-300L is MagLube's most widely used MQL lubricant, engineered specifically for minimum quantity lubrication and clean, consistent performance right at the cut. It's non-staining, and when used correctly, the leftover oil evaporates from parts, meaning the parts don't require cleaning or washing before post-machining processes like painting, welding, heat treating, and anodizing. It's the perfect lubricant solution for CNC routers and most other metalworking machines, especially when cutting aluminum. And it's flexible. LD-300L works with MagLube MQL systems, but also existing MQL setups already on your machine. No major changes required. And while LD-300L is the go-to choice for many applications, it's part of a broader MagLube MQL lubricant lineup designed to support different machining needs. Whether you're upgrading your lubricant or optimizing an MQL process, LD-300L is the lubricant many shops trust as their long-term standard. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. For more information how to get MagLube's MQL systems for CNC and other applications, click the link in the description.